Hey there, food lovers. Welcome back to Review Kitchens, where we give you the lowdown on the best kitchen gadgets. Today, we're diving into the NUWAVE Bravo XL Air Fryer Convection Toaster Oven. With a name like that, you know it means business. So, let's see what makes this 112 in one smart grill combo a game changer in your kitchen. First off, let's talk about size. The NUWAVE Bravo XL boasts a 30-quart capacity. That's right, 30 quarts. You can cook for the whole family without breaking a sweat. This bad boy is perfect for baking, roasting, grilling, and of course, air frying. It's like having a mini kitchen in one compact unit. To make it easier for you, I've included a link to the website where you can buy it at the best price. One of the standout features is the ability to make adjustments on the fly. Need a hotter temperature or longer cooking time? No problem. The intuitive digital controls let you fine-tune the settings anytime during the cooking process. No more starting over, just tweak as you go. With the NUWAVE Bravo XL, you can set cooking temperatures from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit in precise 5 degrees Fahrenheit increments. That's some serious control. Thanks to linear thermal technology, the temperature is continuously monitored and adjusted to ensure perfect results every time. Say goodbye to the days of uneven cooking. The Bravo XL comes with dual heat zones, allowing you to customize the top and bottom heaters independently. Want a perfectly baked pizza? Set the bottom heaters to full power and the top heaters to 30%. Crispy crust and gooey cheese. Here we come. Worried about overcooking? The integrated smart digital thermometer has got you covered. Set your desired doneness temperature and Bravo will monitor your food's internal temperature, ending the cooking process when it's just right. You'll never overcook your steak again. With 4 adjustable rack positions and multi-purpose racks, you can cook multiple layers of food simultaneously. Plus, the heavy-duty racks can handle over 30 pounds of deliciousness. Cooking for a big family or hosting a party. Easy peasy. Yes, you heard that right. 112 presets. From air frying and grilling to baking and dehydrating, Bravo has a preset for nearly everything. Plus, there are 100 pre-programmed recipe presets. Cooking like a pro has never been this effortless. Love grilling but hate the weather? The Bravo XL lets you grill indoors with its super non-stick grill/griddle plate. It absorbs and retains heat for those perfect grill marks and searing. Just set the auto preheat, insert the thermostat, and let Bravo do the rest. Cleaning up is a breeze with the non-stick reversible grill/griddle and crumb tray. Plus, all the accessories are dishwasher safe, so you can spend more time enjoying your meal and less time scrubbing dishes. Positive points. Massive 30-quart capacity for large meals. 112 versatile presets for all your cooking needs. Precise temperature control with linear thermal technology. Dual heat zones for perfect cooking results. Integrated smart thermometer for no-fuss cooking. Easy cleanup with dishwasher-safe parts. Negative points. Large footprint on your countertop. Learning curve with so many presets and features. Should you buy it? So, should you get the NUWAVE Bravo XL Air Fryer Convection Toaster Oven? Absolutely. Its versatility, precision, and capacity make it a fantastic addition to any kitchen. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a newbie, this smart oven will elevate your cooking game. That's it for today's review. Thanks for tuning in to Review Kitchens. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more detailed and honest kitchen gadget reviews. See you next time.